Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about optical properties of amino acids. Amino acids are the optically active compounds, which means they can change the plane of the plane polarized light and they can rotate that plane polarized light either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And those molecules are also called chiral molecules, which are optically active, and those molecules which are not optically active are known as achiral molecules. Okay, so all amino acids are the chiral molecules. Amino acids can change the plane of the polarized light because they have such a structure, so they can change the plane of the plane polarized light. Plane polarized light, which means normal light is like this, going in all the direction, and the waves of the plane polarized light are going in such a way, and that is known as plane polarized light. So the amino acids are the optically active compounds, or we can say optically active molecules. So they can change or they can rotate this plane polarized light either clockwise or anti-clockwise, which means if this plane polarized light is passed through the sample of amino acids, in this sample we have put the amino acids, and if the plane polarized light is passed through this sample, this plane polarized light will get rotated because of the structures of the amino acid. So those compounds are able to change the plane of the polarized light are known as optically active compounds. So it will like rotate this light either clockwise or anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, so clockwise means it will rotate in the right direction. So those compounds which rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction or right direction are known as dextrorotatory molecules. Dextrorotatory, or they are signed as D. Dextrorotatory. They rotate the plane polarized light in the right direction or clockwise direction. If the amino acid is rotating the plane polarized light in the counterclockwise direction, it is known as levorotatory. Levorotatory, or L, which means it will change or rotate the plane polarized light in the counterclockwise direction or left, to the left. So L levorotatory, R right dextrorotatory. So those molecules, those amino acids which rotate the plane polarized light in right direction are known as dextrorotatory, and those which rotate the plane polarized light to the left or counterclockwise are said to be levorotatory molecules.